Hello everyone, this is Janelle and we're going to cook this creamy pasta that is very easy and quick to prepare. Let's have first the ingredients like the cooking cream, the Spanish sardines, the onions, and also I use here the cooked prawns. You can have frozen or fresh, then season them with Cajun powder and chili powder with ground pepper and salt. Then also we have tomato, Parmesan cheese, and the white wine. We also have the butter, garlic, and the white mushroom. Don't forget to wash and drain the vegetables before slicing them. And let's start cooking the pasta according to the package instructions. And I'm using here the spaghetti pasta. Once the water is already boiling, you add them and give them an occasional stir so that it will not stick at the bottom. And once it's already al dente, you can drain them already and also rinse. Then add some olive oil so that the pasta will just be smooth and it will not be sticky. On the same skillet that we used a while ago, I just wipe it off with kitchen towel. I add some olive oil and butter. Once it's already hot, you can add one layer of cooked prawn. I also love to add more Cajun Spice so that it will add more taste to it. Once it's already slightly brown, flip it to the other side. Now take the prawn away and set it aside. With the same skillet, add the garlic and butter to saute them. This will add more fragrance to your dish. Once it's already slightly brown, add the onions. Once the onion turns translucent, you can then add the mushrooms. I added butter because this will give an amazing smell to your dish. The house smells so good. Now add also the tomatoes because this will give a nice twist with the cream. And let it simmer. Now let's add the Spanish sardines and you include the sauce with this one so that it will be absorbed in the pasta to give a nice taste. And this time you can season whatever you like according to taste, and I'm using here black pepper, Himalayan salt, and brown sugar. Stir them well and let it simmer once more. Now this time, let's add the white wine. I'm using here Moscato, and trust me, this will give a really nice taste to your pasta dish that is just same as the Italian restaurant. Now let's add the cooking cream. Add the grated Parmesan cheese. If you want to use a freshly grated one, that will be surely fine. You can then add the remaining tomatoes and just give them a nice stir. Then cover and let it simmer. After a few minutes, add now the prawn and the pasta. Before adding the pasta, by this time make sure the stove is already off so that you will not be overcooking it. When you add the pasta, do it by part so that it will be easy for you to mix it with the sauce. Do you see how creamy it is? The sauce is really thick And also the pasta glides very smooth. I just can't wait to have a taste with this delicious pasta. It really smells so yummy already. Since the pasta is already cooked, now it's time for the taste. It is so great. I just really love this pasta dish because it's very easy to prepare and less expensive. But the taste of it, it's really comparable with the Italian restaurant that you will be spending a lot. So enjoy your food. I hope you like it. See you next time.